today I'm going to open this one that I just got from Christmas.
What is it?
It is a VLAD and NIKKI blind bag, and I opened it out. Oh.
What is it? Wow.
This is what I just wanted.
That's good to hear, dude.
I said I literally said I didn't have this, but like normally I have like bags that just like sew up randomly.
Oh, that's pretty cool. And you want to open the other one?
Does Santa keep bringing me presents?
Maybe he does.
I did not be a good boy because
So
I
this
just
right here.
like swinged and like.
That's okay. Santa forgives you, I'm sure.
This is cool.
Ooh, nice car. So, Lincoln, while we're on the subject of your channel, what do you intend to do? What are your videos going to be about, and why should people subscribe to you?
Because we're doing lots of videos, and we're doing lots of Christmas videos, and I got a puppet for Christmas.
Those are some pretty good reasons.